And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 108. Let me show you the final blending option, which is the Bevel and Emboss. We'll apply to this text, so right click blending options. We'll check the box and then left click on this category. We want to focus only on this menu for our tutorial. You can put it to in and outside. Outside is more like a shadow. And emboss in inner has a different angle. And then you have two more subcategories, you could say. We want to focus on the emboss here. The depth is basically the intensity now. Then you can flip the orientation. The size is the blurriness that's applied. And the soften below is kind of like the feather. So if you increase that, the transition between these edges, these colors, it becomes smoother. Then we have the angle. And by the way, you can't adjust it on the canvas itself, so if you left click drag, it's not going to work. You have to use the angle here. Stick to 90 degrees, and then you once again have a contour option. I would keep that so linear in most cases. The colors below are now for the shadow and the emboss effect. So here you see the first color. And then the shadow mode. For the emboss, that's basically turned off. But for the other options, you've seen it for the outer, for example, you could even change the color of the shadow. As always, this effect cannot just be applied to text. You can also apply it to shapes, paths, and even images if you import them. And these are the basics of the bevel and emboss effect in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.